this. In this video, you are learning jQuery. In the previous video, I shown when we discussed about what is jQuery and history of jQuery and features of jQuery. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use jQuery. So there are two ways you can use jQuery. The first one is by downloading itself and through CDN. So let me show you with the both methods. Then let's go to here in Sublime Text, and before that, let's do one thing. Let's create here a folder called jQuery. jQuery. Okay, I think it's already available in my, so I will write here JQ only, JQ. Okay, yes. Okay, so before that, let's go here and write here download jQuery. So it's a library, small file. So go to official website, and then you will find here different versions. And okay, download compressed version. Okay, so if you download this, so let's see what is difference between uncompressed and compressed. So if you click here, so if you check this uncompressed version, click here, then you can see there is a lot of spaces, right? And it's large file. Same thing if you want to check here with compressed version, then here you can see this is compressed and it's a smaller one. Okay, so you may not be able to understand at all what is this, but you can use this functionality at all. So there are two ways, as I mentioned you. So simply you just copy this and control save. Okay, so I go to desktop and JQ, and then let's create here a folder called JS, because it's a JavaScript library. So I'll write here JS. Then inside this, the latest version is 3.6.0 by the time this video is recorded. Alright, that's it. And now we will use it how here. So start with HTML. Let's save it first. So desktop, then JQ, yeah, this one. So I write here index.html. Okay, so here HTML. Then inside head section we will import. So I'll write here script src, then js, and then the file name itself. So let's go to here inside this, and we will write this. No, not this one, not this one. JQ folder. Inside JQ. Yeah, this one. So inside js, so just I'll copy this so that there is no mistake. Copy it, and here just paste it. That's it. And if you want to, yeah, so this is one of the methods through which you can use jQuery. And the second method is, if you write here in Google then jQuery CDN, and it's better to use CDN. Okay, I myself also normally I use CDN, but it's important that there should be internet connection, only then CDN will work. So minified and slim minified, there are different versions. So use this one, minified. Okay, not slim, normally, because a lot of functionality is not available in slim and slim. So use this minified. Okay, just copy it and simply paste here. You don't have to download anything. Okay, so there are either ways. Either you can use this way or this way, whatever you are comfortable in. So these are the two methods through which you can use jQuery in your project. Okay, now here I will check whether jQuery is working or not. So what I will do, so this is the code which we will be using, $document.ready function, and then inside this you will write your code. So what is this actually? We are telling to the browser that when document is fully loaded, that means when the whole page is loaded, only then you run the code inside this. Okay, or else what will happen if you don't write this code? Still it will work. But why we do this? Because suppose there is some code which is, the website is very large, and there is some code here which we are calling in this function, and this part is still not loaded. Okay, in that case it may throw error. So we are telling to the jQuery that once it fully loaded, then you work here. So if you want to check here, simply I'll write here let and see if jQuery is working or not. So this is the simplest method to check if your jQuery is working or not. So I'll write here okay, now let's go here and then JQ and then double click on this. Oh, I forgot to write one thing. Of course, because script I didn't start. Yes, that's why it's showing this one. So now it should work. Okay. Now let's go again here, refresh it, and yes, hi. That means what? jQuery is working perfectly. So guys, that's it in this video. In the next video, we will see the basic syntax of jQuery and how it works. So stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.